Hello everyone, this is Ilsuk, and today I'm going to be reacting to Charles Berthoud slap bass with digital whammy sounds insane. So I do know who Charles is, and I've watched a lot of his videos. I've never done a reaction to him, but well, I'm doing that now. So let's get right into it. It's been a while since he's I know he hasn't done many uploads lately because of being on tour with Burnt and Ola England. I believe that ended, I don't know, like a couple weeks ago or something, a week ago, something like that. Anyways, ooh, okay, cool. Man, I wish I had like a 100th of his talent. Yeah, he's got a lot of effects going on here, and it's cool. Yeah, I don't think I've ever used a whammy bar before, digital or not, or analog. And when he does arpeggios like that, it's insane. I mean, that's not even the fastest he can go. Charles giving us a stank face. Go ahead, Charles. Go ahead. Like, his video effects are so clean too. Like, and if I recall, he does everything himself. Like the video, the recording, the editing, everything. Like both audio and video editing. That's crazy. Man, the timing that he needs. Okay, so that's the name of the song, glitching. Okay, I feel like I was glitching. Anyways, yeah, but the timing, the accuracy and precision that you need in order to do that virtual whammy bar effect that he was doing, digital whammy bar. Like he has to be on point with his feet there, and yeah, I mean it's not quite like playing the drums or something like that because when you're using the kick drum, you have to you got to put some stank on that. You can't do that with this digital whammy bar. If you do that, you'll break something. But yeah, yeah, like my mind. Like Charles pretty much breaks my mind every time he plays. So every time I see a video of his, I'm just like, it's like I think I've seen everything he can do, but that's never true. it's just like he's always bringing some unique twist to playing the bass, and the man is just incredible. And I wish I could play the bass like he could. Man, I wish I could play the guitar like he could. It's like he does play the guitar too, and he's very good at it. But he's clearly better at the bass because that's like his main instrument. And he's still better at guitar than I am. And guitar is my main instrument. Anyways, yeah, Charles Berthoud with glitching, uh, or slap bass with digital whammy sounds insane. I'm wondering how many times he changed the title of his video before he like after he posted it because he likes to do that a lot. But yeah. Anyways, insane playing as always from Charles because it's Charles. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me today. So I will see y'all next time. Bye.